Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I want to be thankful for the ugliest blessing. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell if you want to see and hear more of our videos. Now, what do I mean by the ugliest blessing? Well, there's a story in 2 Chronicles 20. 2 Chronicles 20. It talks about the King Jehoshaphat, and this king, if you go a couple of chapters earlier, it counts all of his army and his mighty men, and if you add them all up, he had about a 1.8 million man army, which is approximately the size of the United States military. Maybe we have a little bit more or a little bit less, I don't know. But anyway, that's just to put it in perspective for you. The story in chapter 20 says that the Moabites and the Ammonites and other peoples are coming for them. So there's a ton of people that have decided to attack Judah and King Jehoshaphat. And for him to be frightened about that, with a 1.8 million man army, you know that they had to have had something huge. But in chapter 20, he and Judah fast and pray. And while they're fasting and praying, somebody stands up and says, "You're not going to have to worry. Just stand still and see the salvation of the Lord." And so in the morning, when they go out to battle, Jehoshaphat puts the singers in front. And those singers start singing songs of praise to God, because he's already said through this other person that he's going to win the battle for them. And turns out that the Ammonites and the Moabites and all these other people, they start fighting amongst each other, and they literally kill each other off. And Israel, or Judah, just has to stand there and wait. And once they've killed everybody off, Judah goes in there, and it takes them 3 days, 3 whole days, to collect all of the valuables that these people are carrying, and all of the loot. For those of you who know what loot is. Anyway, so what looked like this ugly situation turned out to be God bringing them a huge blessing in disguise. This happens in our personal lives. For example, my wife and I, right as we were starting this YouTube channel, we had, we were trying to adopt a person, or a little baby. And we took him home from the hospital for 7 weeks, and then the birth mom decided that she wanted him back, and I believe she actually adopted him out to somebody else who had money. At that time, we were flat broke. I had been working for free as a volunteer for a ministry for the past 6 years before that. And when that happened, it was just totally, devastating. There was pretty much total darkness in our family. But when people asked me what was going to happen, I just told them, hey, God has a bigger blessing in mind. And, God did have a bigger blessing in mind. He took away something because He knew He was going to give us something. Probably 3 weeks after that happened, after that baby was taken away, my wife got pregnant, and 9 months later we had our first baby. So I want to encourage people that whatever's going on in your life, whatever the ugly situation is, if you go through it, God, and you leave it up to God, He's going to fight it for you. He's going to make it work out for you. He's going to bring you the bigger blessing, the blessing that He had in mind to start with. What are you thankful for today? Please leave me a comment in the comments section below. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to share it with somebody because you think it'll help them, please share it. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.